Guys, we are in the future. We are in the future because there is an AI tool that can create music instantly. This tool can take any lyrics you have or any title you have and instantly create a full song with vocals, with instruments, with everything. And you can do this for free right now. I'm going to show you how to do it today. You could literally go on websites like Fiverr and Upwork and sell your services of creating songs with this software. Because this software is really good, it creates realistic sounding voices. It creates realistic sounding instrumental beats. You can do so many things with this, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it today. We're going to be taking advantage of an AI tool called Adobe Firefly. By the way, guys, Adobe is not just one company. It's a lot of companies combined. There's a ton of tools out there that are completely free. You just got to know where to find them. You're going to want to make one, because there are a lot of cool things you can do on here, and they are always adding new things all the time. So sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up for your free account, you'll land at the homepage where you'll see 3 tabs: Discover and Create. We're going to be focusing mainly on Create, so click on Create. Once you've done that, you'll see the option for Firefly. Click on that, and then you'll be able to generate images, text to image, audio, different things like that. Today we're going to be focusing on audio. When you click on audio, you'll be able to select between 2 options: text to music and music to music. Today, we're going to focus on text to music. When you click on this, you'll be able to type in any lyrics you want or any title you want. And as soon as you press enter, it's going to generate a song for you. There's a few different options you can play around with first. For example, you can choose the language. Right now, it only supports English, but in the future it might support more languages. Then you've got a few different genres you can choose from. You've got alternative, blues, classical, country, electronic, folk, hip-hop, IDM, which is intelligent dance music, jazz, metal, music, box, pop, punk, rock, soul, and world. You can also set the mood of the song. You can have it be acoustic, epic, happy, mellow, mysterious, or upbeat. Now, obviously, the title is what the song is going to be about, so you can put anything you want in here. If you have a title, you want to create a song about it. Now, the artist name is optional. You don't have to put anything in here if you don't want to. And the vocals are also optional. You can have either no vocals, male vocals, female vocals, or both. You've got the length. You can have it be very short, medium, long, or very long. The longer you go, the longer the song will be. And also note that the more you extend the length, the more credits it will consume. Currently, each minute costs 1 credit. Now, as you may have noticed, you do need credits to use this tool. Luckily, you can sign up for a free trial where you get 1,000 credits. These credits allow you to create songs and do other things. In order to get these credits, you'll only need to put in your credit card details, and they will charge you 99 cents after the trial period. If you cancel within 7 days, you'll get refunded. The reason why they probably do this is because people keep signing up for free trials and not canceling. So they want to make sure that people are actually serious about getting the credits. So let's say I wanted to create a song about artificial intelligence. I would put in something like AI Revolution in the title. Let's leave the artist as anonymous for now, and we'll select female vocals. Now, let's choose the genre. Well, I think AI kind of has a futuristic vibe to it. So I'm gone, choose electronic. And I'm gone, set the mood to epic. Now once I've done this, I'm going to click on Generate and see what happens. After generating, you'll be able to listen to the song it created. You can download the song, share it, remix it, or even adjust it. Remixing and adjusting will cost you credits, so keep that in mind. If you decide you like it, you can download it straight away, or you can remix it. Remixing allows you to change the title, change the artist, change the vocals, change the length, change the genre, change the mood, and also allows you to add some instruments. You can remove instruments as well. If you'd rather adjust it, you can change the mood, the genre, the vocals, and the length. So I'm going to go ahead and download it so I can play it for you guys. Here's the song it created for me. As you can tell, the vocals are really realistic and the beat is really catchy. I'm not saying this to just stroke Adobe's ego. No, this AI tool is really good. It's one of the best I've seen. And if you were to go on Fiverr or Upwork and sell your services with it, I guarantee you would make money. If you don't believe me, look at this website. They have a pricing table where you can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per track. So if you were to create 5 tracks a day, you could make anywhere from $250 to $1,000 a day. And you're probably thinking, Justin, that's too good to be true. There's no way I can do that, but you can. I've been using this software for a while now, and I've had no problems. Now you might be wondering, Justin, how much do I need to promote my services? Well, the answer is $0. $0. You don't need to spend a single dollar promoting your services. All you need to do is reply to people who are posting jobs. For example, on Fiverr, when you see a job that you think you can do, simply hit the Contact Freelancer button and send them a message saying, "Hi, I saw your job posting, and I can create X amount of songs for you. My price is Y dollars. Are you interested?" If they say yes, you've got yourself a customer. I mean, come on, this is crazy. I'm a time traveler from the future, and I'm telling you, this is the way forward. Do you want to waste your time trying to learn how to produce music or how to do soundtracks or anything like that? Simply use this tool. Use it now and start selling your services online. Now guys, I don't want to end this video without mentioning one thing. When you are creating songs with this software, please do not use someone else's name. This is not your name. Make up a fake name. Do not use real names. Also, please do not create songs that are offensive. And finally, if you do decide to use this software to create music and you become successful with it, please do not forget about me. Make sure to come back and comment below and let me know how it went. I want to know all about it. If you have any questions, please ask them below. I'll be happy to answer every single one of them. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. And as always guys, stay tuned for more videos like this.